In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your drawing panel over here on the left. If you don't see it, click in the top left on your profile icon and enable the drawings panel over here. Now, from here, you want to select your line. Of course, you could use any of these over here. I'm just going to select this trend line, which is kind of the basic one. And then you want to click where you want to begin your line. So I'm going to click on over here. And then if you want a straight line, all you have to do is hold down your shift key on your keyboard, and there we go. As you can see, the line is now perfectly straight, even if you go up or down just a bit. Okay, you can now click, and as you can see, the line is perfectly straight, just like that. Now you can do this for vertical lines as well. So for example, if I click here, I go down and hold the shift key, and there we go, it's going to be a perfectly straight line. Of course, you could go and do this at a 45-degree angle. So if I click on here, it's going to be straight. If I go down, it's 45, 90, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.